Welcome students. Let us discuss the important terms we come across in this lesson. The terms are coordination entity, central metal atom, ligand, coordination sphere, coordination polyhedron, coordination number, oxidation state. The last one is counter ion. If you are familiar with these terms, then it will be easy to understand the lesson. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is coordination entity. Coordination entity is ion or neutral molecule which has central metal atom and ligands. It is enclosed in square bracket. Let us see the example. Consider this example K4 Fe CN6. This is a coordination complex. Here this is the coordination entity. Coordination entity means it is an ion or neutral molecule which has central metal atom. So this is the central metal atom and ligand. This is the ligand. And it is enclosed in square bracket. So this is the coordination entity. Another one is coordination sphere. Coordination entity and coordination sphere, both the terms are more or less same. So coordination sphere means complex ion containing central metal atom and ligand enclosed in square bracket with net charge. The same thing, so this is the coordination sphere. Here the net charge is, since we have 4 potassium, the charge of potassium is plus 4. And it is plus 4 means, and this charge becomes, the sphere is Cn6 4 minus. So this is the coordination sphere. Coordination sphere means complex ion containing central metal atom and ligand enclosed in square bracket with net charge. So this is the coordination entity and coordination sphere. Both the terms are more or less same. So this is the coordination sphere of the complex. We have discussed two terms. One is coordination entity, another one is coordination sphere. The third one is central metal atom. Central metal atom, it occupies the central position in a coordination entity. Ligands are connected to it through coordinate covalent bond. Consider the same example K4 FeCN6, and this part is coordination sphere. Here this Fe is the central metal atom. So central metal atom means it occupies the central position in the coordination entity. This is the coordination entity and the central metal atom occupies the central position. Ligands are, this is the ligand. Ligands are connected to the central metal atom through coordinate covalent bond. We know very well what does mean by coordinate and covalent bond. So ligands are connected to the central metal atom through coordinate covalent bond. Next important term is ligand. Atom or group of atoms bound to the central metal atom. The atom in a ligand that is bound directly to the central metal atom is known as donor atom. See here the same example. So this is the ligand. Cyanide ion is the ligand here. It is bound to the central metal atom, and it's actually, the definition is atom or group of atoms. So this water molecule H2O, group of atom is present. This is also considered as the ligand. Ammonia NH3, this is also a ligand. Here this nitrogen is donate the electron, so this is called as the donor atom. If nitro group is act as a ligand, and this is the nitrogen is the donor atom. Here nitrosyl group is act as a ligand. This is the nitrosyl group, and if it is act as a ligand, Here the oxygen is the donor atom. So ligand means atom or group of atoms bound to the central metal atom. The atom in the ligand that is bound directly to the central metal atom is known as donor atom. We have discussed central metal atom and ligand. The next one is coordination polyhedron. Coordination polyhedron, the three-dimensional spatial arrangement of ligands directly connected to the central metal atom is known as coordination polyhedron. Consider the same example K4, Fe, Cn6. Here polyhedron for this complex is octahedral. Another example, nickel, NiCO 4 times. For this complex, the coordination polyhedra is tetrahedral. So coordination polyhedron means the three-dimensional spatial arrangement of ligands directly connected to the central metal atom. Next one is coordination number. The number of ligand donor atoms bounded to the central metal ion is known as coordination number. For example, consider this compound NiEN3Cl2. Here En means ethylene diamine. This ethylene diamine, there are two donor atoms, so the coordination number for this compound is 6. Another example, NiCO. Here the coordination number is 4. One more example, COCl3, NH34 Cl2. So the coordination number is 4 ammonium NH3 group is present, 2 Cl group. So totally coordination number is 6. So coordination number means number of ligand donor atom bonded to the central metal ion in a complex is called coordination number of the metal. We have discussed coordination polyhedron and coordination number also. The next one is oxidation state, that we will see in another video. The last one is counter ion. Counter ion. Other ionizable ions written outside the brackets are called counter ion. For example, consider the example K4 Fe Cn6. This is the coordination complex and this is the coordination sphere. Outside the bracket, the potassium is present. So here this potassium is considered as the counter ion. One more example, CONH3 6Cl3. See here, this is the coordination sphere. This Cl3 is present outside the bracket. So this is the counter ion. So counter ion means other ionizable ions written outside the bracket are called counter ion. Let's take one example and we have discussed all the terms. The complex is CONH3Cl3. Here the coordination entity is, this is the coordination entity CONH3 3+. Central metal atom, here this is the central metal atom, so cobalt is the central metal atom. Coordination number 6 NH3 groups attached to the cobalt, so coordination number here it is 6. Ligand is NH3, neutral ligand, ammonia is the ligand here, so ligand NH3. coordination sphere is, this is the coordination sphere, CONH3 6 3 plus. And oxidation state of cobalt is, this is the neutral molecule. Outside there are 3 minus ion is present, so this oxidation state is 3 plus. Coordination polyhedron is, this is the octahedral. Then counter ion, that is, what is counter ion? The ionizable ion which is present outside the bracket. So this is the sphere, this is present, this Cl3 minus present in the outside the bracket. So counter ion here it is Cl minus. Thank you.